Today I'm going to show you how to make pizza with a Guyanese twist. Some of the ingredients you're going to need is ground beef, 1 pound, garlic, all-purpose seasoning, Classico, spicy red pepper, pasta sauce. You can use whatever pasta sauce you want to use. We have black pepper here, Goya seasoning, another Classico Alfredo roasted garlic. We have mozzarella cheese, sweet pepper, carrots, Italian seasoning, banana pepper, 2 cups of flour. We're gonna start by seasoning the meat by using 2 tablespoons of garlic. I'm gonna sprinkle some black pepper, some Goya seasoning, Italian seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna start by mixing this up. We're gonna use some calcium, some Chinese sauce, and we're gonna mix this up. We're gonna fry this up. So now that the ground beef is nicely fried up, I'm gonna turn this off. So here we have is 2 cups of flour. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of yeast, some salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar. We're gonna start by adding some melted margarine, and we're gonna mix this up. Gonna add some water into this to knead the dough. Now that the dough is already mixed up, I'm gonna take this out of the bowl. I'm gonna roll this out. You roll it out too much. So now we're gonna leave this pizza dough to rise. So we're gonna start by adding the pasta sauce.
Oh, are you struggling, wife? Well, let me open that up for you.
Don't do that.
There we go.
So we're gonna spread that out nicely. Just big tomatoes inside here. Gonna use some Alfredo sauce here.
You need some help with that, wife? Here, this is how you open that. Just like that.
So now for the Barbie style, we're gonna use some pepper sauce to sprinkle this dough off. Gonna mix this up real nice. So here we have some mozzarella cheese. We're gonna sprinkle this on the dough. Add some of our vegetables, some carrots here. We're gonna add some sweet pepper. So we're gonna sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. We're gonna add some pineapple. We're gonna add some ground beef. We're gonna top this off with some mozzarella cheese. This pizza got too much thing. We're gonna put some tomatoes. So we're gonna use some pickled pepper. This is a giant pizza. So now we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 for half an hour. So now that the pizza has finished baking, we're gonna wait for it to cool down until we can cut it. Make sure you subscribe to see more videos just like this one. Yummy.